Look like it ain't never been in an accident. What's up with it? Got my boy in the building, Greg.
Y'all doing good?
Having a good time? Yeah, man, we doing good. We ain't doing nothing but having a good time. Enjoy life, smile every day. We ain't got no worry about what no how to say. Do you hear me?
Hell yeah.
Already. We just be looking and laughing, having a great time. Got my boy in the building, man. I'm betting my whole stimulus with this truck right here, man. I got half of it left. I'm ready to use it. I'm ready to use it, man. Ain't nothing like this truck. I like this truck, man. God damn. Ooh-wee. Y'all check him out one time for the one time. With the fog, with the park lights on. Yeah. It's going down. Get a one time for the one time. Ooh-wee.
That's some bullshit.
What happened?
Yeah, man, the motherfuckers took my little old motherfucking $40, kinfolk.
Yeah.
And then they bust up and took off.
They ain't give you no action back?
Nah, he talking about child support money. Man, I got grown folk. I got grown folk listening to my motherfucker. What the fuck? You must be talking about the goddamn grandkids. You must be talking about the grandkids.
I'll take your money, don't worry about it.
They gonna be here tonight. You gotta get them early. Nah, they be ready to go.
No, I need to get them when they start drinking. Look at it. Look at
They
that
got
shit
the whole
over there.
bottle. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Just look at that shit.
Oh yeah, they got the whole 12 back here.
Move over to the side.
I
cuz.
see it right here, man.
You see it?
Then they got the extra Corona extra in the bag, just in case they run out
Nah,
of
they put some shit in that one.
Oh,
Yeah, they put some of that cocaine on that one.
God damn.
You don't want that one.
No.
Nah.
I don't want that
that
one.
white stuff on that one.
Ooh wee.
I don't know which one of them amigos gonna fall out, but they gonna fall out tonight. And then you got this one up here in the pink. Check him out in the pink.
Which one? What do you got?
Check him out in the pink.
What do you got going up there?
Man, you know damn well it's cold in the shit out
Yeah,
here.
hey man, I got the Lookout Racing hoodie over there, man. You need one of them? I got 2X over there left, man.
Man, that motherfucker need one. That motherfucker cold as hell. That motherfucker shaking so goddamn much. Somebody gonna have to get that motherfucker mouth to mouth.
Oh man.
I ain't bullshitting. That motherfucker shaking, dog.
When they gonna give it a mouth to mouth? After they finish that Modelo or before?
I really don't know, but I know that motherfucker finna pass out.
God damn.
Shit, he knocked all the damn wrinkles out of that goddamn shirt he was shaking so damn fast.
Golly.
I ain't bullshitting,
He
cuz.
tell me he over there trying to deny, like, nah, I'm not cold. I just have my hands in my pocket. Wait.
Oh, that's what he said?
Yeah.
Man, that motherfucker can't spell pocket weight.
He gonna be stuttering if he do.
Hell yeah.
Cold as it is.
Then he got his soccer player right beside him.
God.
Ask him what kind of football they watching tomorrow.
Who y'all bet with tomorrow? Tom Brady? Or the
Tom Brady all the way.
Tom Brady.
Okay, Tom Brady. Somebody gave me odds, man. I'm taking Tom Brady too.
I hear him.
Already, man. You giving odds too? I'm gonna let you get a couple more Modelos in your system, man. You'll give them to me.
Hey, go bring it.
That motherfucker won't show up tomorrow. He ain't gonna show up, Kim.
He ain't gonna show you. Leave him alone.
Yeah, leave him alone. Motherfucker won't show up.
He said he ain't gonna show up if I bet him, man. God damn. Alrighty, y'all. We got Southern Muscle with Terry Hogg with this badass Cobra first round. One time for the one time. And then we got this truck that I'm betting with. I think he got the juice. He got the juice. Both of them turbo. I'm coming out with the, let me see if I can interview Terry Hogg before you.
That's badass.
Look out, look out. We got Terry Hogg in the building, y'all.
What it do?
What year is your car, man?
Car 04, homeboy.
This is an 04?
Yes, sir.
How much horsepower do you have?
About 635 to the ground.
635 to the ground. All right. What kind of transmission?
Transmission, we got a A40D.
Stage 4OD. All right. How long have you had the car?
I had the car about 2 weeks.
2 weeks. All righty, guys. It looks sweet, man. How long have you had the paint? The paint came with it?
Factory paint.
Factory paint. Wow, man. You must have buffed it out, dude.
15,000 miles, homeboy.
2,000 miles on it with the twin turbo setup.
15,000 miles.
15,000. Oh, yeah, dude. This is nice. Full interior street car, man.
Check it out, man.
Check it out. Let me see. Golly, look at her. He got the carpet still in there. leather seats. Man, he did his
Hey,
thing.
check it out.
Damn, he got the horn still working there. The lights and shit still nice and clean, man. You buffed the headlights too, huh?
Brand new, baby.
Brand new headlights. Uh-oh. Here it go. His time to shine, y'all. Terry Hogg with Southern Muscle with the chameleon painted 04.
Hey, listen. Hell yeah. Hey, have you ever heard a motherfucker don't talk loud as I do? How much we me and you been? He said 20.
That's it. 20.
Yeah.
That's it. I'll take the truck too, man. I'm betting all the way with this truck all night till they get them. Excuse me. What's going on? We got this truck, man. S10 for the win. That's all I know. I'm saying that all night.
Bet the farm on it.
Man, I'm trying to, what? Hey, Javi, you want to bet? Since you like the Cobra, you like it that much to bet, or you just like the way it look? I'm trying to figure out. Talk to me quick, not slick now. Don't wait until they stage up and be done took off and then be saying something. I'm betting 20 and up. I don't even want 5 no more. I'm at the 20 now. This is a shootout. Bet 10. I'm cool with 10. I was outside. Bet 10. My Cash App Lookout Racing. If I lose, you're going to have to hit me up later after the live stream. But if I win, I'm going to be waiting till I see Cash App from Javi. $10. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, I got Cash App. Look at it in the right corner of the screen. Cash App Lookout Racing. Look out. What's up with it, Joe? Danny, all I see is DAN now. You want to bet too? You see my Cash App to the right. Oh boy, ain't cashed out me that 5 yet either, man. I'm still waiting on you. You'll take the Mustang. Take the Mustang. How much? Y'all talking about y'all to take it, but you ain't telling me no price. It costs to take it. It's the difference of liking it and taking it. I got 10 on the truck, man. I'm starting to reduce the bet down to 10. Cash App Lookout Racing. Look out! Red light, no race, that's fine. That's fine with me.